Miss Christine May Enoch, can you enumerate the rights that are familiar to you?
Right of life, ito, right of land, freedom from slavery, right to vote, o katong right to katong ma-elect bitaw
Oh,
as a candidate.
can you describe as many human rights that you are familiar with?
Ako ang first iatag kay right to fair conditions of employment. In sa corporate world kay kabalo jud ta nga dili jud fair ang treatments sa mga mga employees rather. So, ang right to fair conditions of employment diha masulod ang kanabitang pag-create og labor unions para maka-fight para sa well-being sa isa ka employee, and also gina-fight ni niya ang unjust practices sa isa ka workplace mo to protect the employee. And also to add on kay masulod po dito ang right to join and form trade union. So basically mo to na right ang mga workers under sa isa ka state nga mag-create og trade unions or mag-form or mo-join. And also for the businesses, pwede po sila mag-create og union para mas efficient bitaw ang ilahang kuan pag-trade. So yun na.
Can you describe as many human rights that you are familiar with?
First, our right to education. So we all know that every person or every individual in our society has the right to have an access with education. No, so tanan jud na ikatungod nga maka-eskwela. And next is right of freedom of speech. Individuals can express their opinions without fear, and they can critique someone in our society without having of fear, because it is one of our fundamental rights as individual. And right to health, like everyone should have the access to medical care and to have a ma-promote ang ilang health, no. So next is right to vote. So we all know that each one of us in our country at the age of 16 we can vote, no. So we have the right to vote, especially to participate in the democratic process of our country. And aside from that is right to equality, and all people are equal before the law. So that's why regardless of our backgrounds, our ethnicity, our races, no, we have the same right, no. So we need to follow certain law.
What do you know about the UDHR or the Universal Declaration of Human Rights?
So as far as I remember sa mga naagian ako nga klase sa una, no, way back sa social sa una, UDHR is a document, no, which is adopted, if I'm not mistaken, it is a document that is adopted by the United Nations, no, which outlines the fundamental rights and freedoms that every one of us is entitled to, no. So it serves as the structure for international or national human rights law, for it and upholds and promote values that the human have dignity, no. So individuals can access their, no, we have what we call this equality in our society and freedom in our community.
So how would you rate the importance of learning human rights among the youth? Please elaborate your response.
If you are going to talk about the importance of learning human rights, it is very important. So in a scale of 1 to 4, I would give it a 4 actually. Kay sa in today's generation, ang youth kay ga-play sila crucial role para para ma-shape ang future, kasi 'di ba according to Dr. Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. So sila ang 4 factors nga manunod sa yapak sa mga nauna sa tua. So if we were to understand the human rights, kasi kay mura siya gina-empower kita para mo stand against injustice o advocate for change. Ang best example ani is ang people power. Actually sa people power kay gikuan sila daghan kayo atong nga nag-protest, in which especially ang mga kabataan, ang learning human rights kay it helps them or us recognize the challenge violation, promote a more more inclusive society. Knowledge of human rights kay maka-prepare siya sa tua para mahimong active o responsible member sa community.